Hi everyone, here we've got OUKITEL WP5 and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So firstly we have to enter our contact list, and right now let's find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on this edit icon right in the middle, and here we've got the camera icon, so let's tap on it. And as you can see, right now we can either take a photo and your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and you will be able to take a photo actually. Or you can choose the photo from the gallery. So obviously I will pick to choose it. And right now all we have to do is simply tap on the one we'd like to use. And from this step we can adjust the size of this square, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact. So we can change the size of the square and the position of the photo, so just make it look like you want to. Of course you can also rotate the picture right here, so it's up to you how you want to set it, and if you're happy with the results, just tap on done. Remember to tap on save in the right upper corner, and as you can see it has been immediately applied to the contact. Let's get back. It is also visible on our contact list and you will be able to see it whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your OUKITEL WP5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.